Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Chime Credit Builder, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Chime Credit Builder, first, make sure you have the Chime app downloaded on your mobile device. Open the app and log in to your Chime account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for a Chime account by providing your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the Credit Builders section from the main menu. Click on Get Started to begin the setup process for the Credit Builder account. You will then be prompted to provide additional information, including your social security number and date of birth. After entering the necessary information, review and accept the terms and conditions. Next, set a spending limit for your Credit Builder account. This limit will determine the amount you can borrow and spend to build your credit. Once you have set your limit, link your Chime spending account to fund your Credit Builder account. Choose an initial deposit amount that you want to transfer for your Credit Builder. Confirm the transfer and ensure that the funds are successfully added to your Credit Builder account. You can now use your Chime Credit Builder card for purchases. Each time you make a purchase, your payment activity will be reported to credit bureaus. Be sure to pay off your balance in full each month to maximize your credit building potential. Regularly check your Chime app for updates on your credit score and account activity. This will help you stay informed about your progress as you build your credit. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to effectively using your Chime Credit Builder account and if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.